Health benefits of lemongrass tea. Lemongrass is a spice that is local to Sri Lanka and South India yet now fills in numerous nations all throughout the planet. The plant's stalks are a typical fixing in Asian cooking, yet it is likewise conceivable to blend lemongrass to make tea. The plant has long leaves that are similar to those of seagrasses. While an estimated 55 species of lemongrass exist, only the East Indian and West Indian varieties are suitable for use in cooking. Several researchers are interested in the health and medicinal benefits of drinking lemongrass tea. 1. Relieving anxiety. Many people find sipping hot tea to be relaxing, but lemongrass tea may offer further anxiety-reducing properties. According to the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, smelling lemongrass may help people with anxiety. Although some people already inhale lemongrass essential oil to relieve stress and anxiety, researchers still need more evidence to be able to confirm this benefit. 2. Lowering cholesterol. According to an article trusted source in the Journal of Advanced Pharmaceutical Technology and Research, consuming lemongrass extracts appears to lower cholesterol in animals. The study notes that the reaction is dose-dependent. This means that larger quantities of lemongrass might lower cholesterol further. 3. Good for digestion. Lemongrass has a cooling energy which helps to soothe your stomach and keeps your digestive functions in check. It contains a component called citronella that helps to digest food. Therefore, it is mostly served after dinner. It has been used as an ancient remedy for all stomach problems in Chinese medicine like bloating, constipation, or indigestion. 4. Full of antioxidants. Lemongrass tea is your detox tea. It is packed with antioxidants that help in detoxing and cleansing you from within. It helps in removal of toxins from the body by relieving fluid retention. 5. Regulates high blood pressure. Lemongrass is nature's formula for taming high blood pressure. It is rich in potassium, which increases the production of urine in our body, which in turn stimulates blood circulation and lowers blood pressure. By increasing blood circulation, it also helps in purifying the liver. Lemongrass is also known to limit cholesterol absorption from the intestines, thus promoting overall heart health. 6. It may reduce your cancer risk. The citronella in lemongrass is also thought to have potent anti-cancer abilities against some cancer cell lines. Several components of lemongrass help fight cancer. This occurs either by causing cell death directly or boosting your immune system so that your body is better able to fight off cancer on its own. Lemongrass tea is sometimes used as an adjuvant therapy during chemotherapy and radiation. It should only be used under the guidance of an oncologist. 7. It has antimicrobial properties. Lemongrass tea may help treat oral infections and cavities, thanks to its antimicrobial properties. According to a 2012 in vitro study published by the National Institutes of Health trusted source, lemongrass essential oil showed antimicrobial abilities against Streptococcus mutans bacteria, the bacteria most responsible for tooth decay. 8. It may act as a diuretic. In the world of natural health, lemongrass is a known diuretic. A diuretic makes you urinate more often, ridding your body of excess fluid and sodium. Diuretics are often prescribed if you have heart failure, liver failure, or edema. 9. It may help relieve symptoms of PMS. Lemongrass tea is used as a natural remedy for menstrual cramps, bloating, and hot flashes. There isn't any research specifically on lemongrass and PMS, but, in theory, its stomach-soothing and anti-inflammatory properties may help. Additionally, according to an article published in the Journal of Advanced Pharmaceutical Technology and Research trusted source, lemongrass oil is useful in helping to cool the body. 10. Relieving pain. According to one study, lemongrass may be able to block pain. This means that drinking lemongrass tea could potentially help to prevent a person from sensing pain. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more exciting videos.